The eBags Mother Lode Junior is a popular travel backpack that's often on sale for under $100. It has a simple design, carry-on dimensions, with a ton of great features. Coming up. Welcome to One Bag Travels. This is a site dedicated to helping you with one bag carry-on travel by providing backpack, gear reviews, and travel advice. If you're a one bag traveler and you'd like to learn more, then please consider subscribing to our channel. Starting with the material, the Weekender Junior is made from a combination of 840 Denier polyester on the main bag with 900 Denier polyester on the bottom of the bag where it gets most of the wear. eBags uses an interesting combination of zippers and hardware on the Weekender Junior that helps maximize the quality while keeping the price low. They use number 8 YKK zippers on all of the main compartments, and eBags brand zips on most of the small accent pockets. They provide locking zippers on 4 of the compartments: the main compartment, the front organizational pouch, the small top pouch, and the laptop compartment. However, the laptop compartment only has one locking zipper and a metal ring, so you have to secure the zipper using a small carabiner or a TSA lock. The rest of the materials used in the Weekender Junior are pretty solid. You don't want to skimp on the hardware, so here they used all high quality YKK plastic buckles and clips. The Weekender Junior here is the smaller cousin of the full-sized Weekender, which is a max size bag at 22 by 14 by 9 inches. They are both designed to be carry-on size for a majority of airlines, with the Junior measuring in at 19.5 by 14 by 9 inches and holding about 41.5 liters. A quick note on the price of the Weekender Junior. I mentioned in the intro that you can often find this bag for under $100 in the US, but I found the price varied widely from $90 to about $130, depending on which site you were on and what sales are available. So be sure to check both the eBags site as well as Amazon, which I will provide the links in the description below. Now looking at the external components and organization on the Weekender Junior. The main features are these hideaway backpack straps, 2 side carry handles, a stowaway water bottle pocket, an expandable zipper, side compression straps, a detachable hip belt, shoulder straps, and a few external access pockets. There is a large pocket on the top here with a lockable zipper, which is easily big enough for a camera, as well as this small front slash pocket with a regular zipper, which is good for non-valuables. The front organizational compartment has several smaller zippered pockets inside of it, but this main pocket is easily large enough to store a jacket or other large bulky items. There are 2 compression straps on either side of the bag with solid, beefy YKK buckles, which you can use in combination with the expandable zipper to really squish this bag down to a compact size. The water bottle pouch is located inside the zippered pocket on the front of the bag. Inside is a hidden sleeve with a top cinch strap. Initially I thought this was a really cool design, allowing you to hide the pocket away when not in use. But in reality, it doesn't really work very well. The single attachment point causes your water bottle to flop around when you're walking. You can fix this a little bit by clipping the pouch to the side compression strap, but the best solution is to just use a collapsible water bottle or put your water bottle in a different pocket. Now let's look into more detail at the 3 carry options on the Weekender Junior. Remember, it's got these hideaway backpack straps, a detachable shoulder strap, and top and side carry handles. The backpack straps are pretty decent, curved, with a good amount of padding and a mesh backing. They are detachable from the bottom, and you can stow them away in this top zippered pocket, and they'll attach to the bottom of the bag using these YKK plastic swivel buckles. The backpack straps do come with a sternum strap, but it's flimsily attached and actually fell off during our first use, so I wouldn't count on this feature working for you. The back panel padding is also kind of weak and lacks air ventilation. There is some padding between the laptop compartment and the back of the bag, but the material that's going to be pressing against your back is just the polyester fabric. The hip belt also leaves much to be desired. It's just a simple nylon strap and buckle with no additional padding or support. This isn't a huge backpack, so the thin strap does offer a little bit of support, but it's not really very comfortable. A small amount of padding here could really have made a big difference. Overall, the fit and comfort of the Weekend Junior is okay. The actual backpack straps are decently padded and comfortable, but the sternum strap doesn't work and falls off. The hip belt is thin and uncomfortable, and the back padding leaves much to be desired. The shoulder strap is a nice carry option. It's a padded strap attached to this 2-inch piece of nylon with these plastic buckles that attach to the outside of the backpack. It definitely works, but with this style of travel bag, I usually just carry it with the backpack straps, and I don't find myself using the shoulder strap very often. The Weekender Junior has several additional carry options. There's a top and side carry handle, which are well padded and comfortable, as well as this large handle on the bottom front of the bag. It's not so much designed as a carry handle, as it is a handle to pull the bag out of airline overhead compartments. It works fine, but it probably doesn't need to be this large. Now looking at the interior components and the packing style on the eBags Weekender Junior. The main zipper opens up from the side into a large suitcase-style main compartment. The left side has a thinner mesh-covered zippered pocket for storing smaller items or dirty laundry, while the right side is a large compartment for holding the majority of your clothes. Packing cubes work well in this compartment. Additionally, it has this removable separator, which is designed to keep 2 smaller cubes from sliding around inside the bag. Additionally, there are 2 internal compression straps with these little side clips to help keep them out of the way. The laptop compartment on the back of this bag is gigantic and will hold up to a 17.5-inch laptop. However, it doesn't have a false bottom to keep a larger laptop off the bottom of the bag. But it does have this laptop sling in here, which will secure a smaller laptop or a tablet up to about 12 inches wide to help keep it off the bottom of the bag. Now I'm going to do a quick packing demo to show you how much you can fit in this bag and how I pack it. We had a hard time finding packing cubes from eBags that would fit this bag well. Most of them were either too big, too small, or you had to buy them in a big set. We ended up buying a set of cubes from Heinz Eagle that fit this bag pretty well, and were only about $17 for the set of 3. I'll start out by packing my clothes into the main compartment. This large packing cube, I have 2 pairs of pants, 2 long sleeve shirts, and a pair of shorts. This medium cube, I have t-shirts, and the smaller cube, I have socks and underwear. And those fit pretty much perfectly into this main compartment, and you can keep them secure with these compression straps. I'm actually going to leave this mesh zippered pocket empty for now because I want to use it on the road to store dirty laundry. These front pockets are large enough to hold the rest of my travel gear. I'm going to put my travel wallet, passport in this front slash pocket, and this top locking zippered pocket, sunglasses, phone, and a travel notebook. And then this large main pocket here is pretty much big enough for everything else. I have a full set of electronics, travel adapter, chargers, a good sized toiletry kit, and this merino wool jacket. and those all fit in there with plenty of room to spare. I also packed an 8-inch Kindle tablet into the laptop compartment on the back of this bag. But as you can see, this bag isn't very packed. I easily have enough clothes, toiletries, and electronics for a 1 to 2 week trip to Europe, but you can see I could have easily put a lot more in here. I'm not even using the expandable zipper. I think this is a pretty good strategy because it allows you some space to expand the bag and pick up some extra things when you're on your travels. In summary, some of the things that I really like about this bag are it's really solidly made. It has a lot of great features and it's a really good value for the price. The fabric is thick and sturdy, it has great hardware, and it has really good organization. The bag holds a lot more than you would think. Some of the things that I don't like about this bag are the backpack system could be a lot better. Their sternum strap is flimsy and will fall off. The hip belt is thin and uncomfortable, and there isn't very much padding or air ventilation on the back of the backpack. The water bottle pocket also isn't great. It's not a very good design, and it ends up just flopping around on the outside of your backpack. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about the eBags Weekender Junior, or if you want to see a packing list of what I put into this bag, then please let me know in the comments below. And if you like videos like this, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and thanks for watching.